Good morning, guys. So it's day 2. I think it's already day 1. Just did that night 1. So this is day 1. So we're just going down for breakfast. The time is around 8:50 right now, and breakfast closes off at 10:30. So we're going down for breakfast at the moment and stuff. So hold on, keep that pass. Nervousness. Yeah, so that's what we're doing right now, and then we're dressed in pool fits and stuff, and yeah, so let's go, guys. You say like got something in the pan, or you have everything?
I for the GoPro.
Oh. All right, guys, so soon come. There I have breakfast. I got a whole mixture: pancakes, French toast, bacon, sausages, hash browns, saltfish, ham, scrambled eggs. Wait, let's say the egg fresh. Should I find that? You have my shade? So breakfast is done. Babe, I will get the beach towels because we didn't get them yesterday. So we're getting them today. Yeah. So it's either we go to the beach or the pool, either or. So the beach is right here, and there is one of the pools over there. If you guys can see, it's right there. It's right there. So Charlie just away from Babe to come back from getting that. And then we do our vibes. We wanted to do like one of those little tours and stuff, but the ones that we wanted to do, it would have been leaving 10 minutes. I will never get breakfast as yet. So today I think we're just gonna do the hotel, and then tomorrow we'll try that, hopefully. So yeah, guys. So this is day 1, but day 2, day 1 of 2 or something. I don't know. And what is this? Anyways. But yeah, guys, they ever come back empty-handed? Have to come? Yeah, so the pool with the bar, music is playing in the background, so I'm not stay. But we're there. Babe, no one going to the water. I know I'm doing, but we're going in the water. And because as the bar is over there, but as we say, I'm not stay long because the music are playing.
Should have my Cuban cigar, you know?
Alright, guys, so we're getting ourselves together to go for dinner and such. That's the vibe for right now. We've already done ready, so I have to hurry up and get ourselves together. Got a pool today, but you can expose all on the side. we got a pool and drink. How much have we drink? 3 drinks, 2 drinks?
I'm then drink 1.
And then I make 1. And then we'll go at the beach. Bye. Oh, COVID, drain, sleep. So guys, this is dinner. This is roasted fish, shrimp tempura, mixed with salad, potato salad, rice and peas, corn on the cob, beef stew, and pizza. Thank you. And Babe over here went very Mr. Seafood. Got stewed octopus. Man, I will not kiss her. How it is? You want to taste that Kong? So we taste it now. And then I told him to get these mussels so I could try it. Trying octopus for the first time. Yeah, what you take to cook? Does that come with you? Daddy would be proud. Good morning, guys. Today is, let's see, 3:92. I don't know. Today one day. I don't know. But we're going for breakfast right now and stuff. Sorry about the noise in the background. Oh my god. So sorry about that, yeah. So we're going for breakfast and thing. The plan today is supposed to go on some type of excursion or do a little activity today, but we're going to find out that information and see how that works out today. If anything, you know, another relaxed day and such. Yeah, I was having a little issue this morning. I couldn't find my medication. The girl was in heat. Not that type of heat. No, my mama telling them my problem, my heat rash problem, so I couldn't find my medication. But we're good on that now, so.
As I chop on making money and live large.
Such a gentleman. What's snorkeling? Eh?
Snorkeling. I want to check. Them over on the sun.
Just making that process.
Go over.
4, 3.
Good morning. Tell me I'm a lion. I'm okay with people that call him Squaddy. And they have a squad in this school. Squad is police, right? And the people them look sure said the man is a police or a soldier and him get discount and him don't deny it, you know.
I'm militant discount, the man say from me see you, me know say, yeah, wanna be. So yes, sir. All of discount, yes, sir. The dog gotta stay so good, mama.
Watch your free shows too. That's crazy. Okay.
As I you. I may just say, watch you go on a charge. We don't ask no question because we're fully militant. And instruction we follow. Discharge. The dog say, alright. Watch over my boss.
What is wrong with you?
Watch over my boss.
Anyways, guys, so we're gonna do snorkeling and then, but we're gonna, them have a paddle board, so we're gonna experience that. But we're gonna change and then come back down for that.
The man say, go show me, go show squaddy.
Me and my squad I got to change, so we're so come people.
Me get that. Yeah, man. You have to just work with it.
So things that
Yeah, man, go viral. Hello.
check the water.
So we're having rum cream and Campari. My battery's about to die, so I'm gonna get the first phase before it did. It's a nice one. Can I ask belly bake? Belly bake. So guys, we're going snorkeling. Snorkeling where I go? Yeah, we're going snorkeling. So I have to leave the pool, which is low key so freaking nice. Music are playing. So I might speed up this part, but I'm just putting on my little cover up so that we can go. Because we have reservation for 2:30 and it's almost 2 o'clock. Do you know where my phone is? Yeah, it's almost 1:59, so it's a 1 minute to 2. And I'm so free 2 o'clock. I'm kind of nice. You know, so that take me like a few minutes. Reach.
Nice, aka drunk.
Who's drunk? I'm not drunk.
And the titty out the door. Reach you.
August, flat belly. Flat belly being operation. Kind of messed up, but still look good. As babe would say, my butt and my belly match. I coordinate. So nobody can say me do a BBL. This is natural shit. Blessed. Come on.
That's it, Golly God. We don't talk too much.
Me did drunk. Me could have come down the step them good all that. Eh? Alright guys, so this is our final day. This is breakfast for the final day. Right. I'm afraid I get my fried up fling and get selfish. Yeah, so we're gonna dig in because yeah. Guys, we reached St. Elizabeth. Sorry, we come from the hotel. We reached St. Elizabeth. I'm not able to get to come to a vlog, but the bestie's here.
Hi guys.
And my niece is here.
The one where she
And this boy is here. We got him babe and everything. So I'm bezel down right now, living best life. Trish, you got him, right? Make sure you feed him. Feed him early. Yeah, guys. But we have stuff to do in the town, so we have to go leave you now. But home is good. Right? Yes, home is good. But we talk to you guys later. And we got those apples over there. Some apples right there. And the guys that are drinking. Yeah. Yeah, come on. The people them ready. Let's go. Bye Bismo. Bye Bismo. Say bye to the vlog. He looks a very bit dirty right now because he was outside in the dirt. But say bye. Bye. Bye boo boo. Bye boo boo. I can't watch back in vlog and watch you. Bye. Good morning guys. So we came from St. Elizabeth. I have my retainers in because this is probably the second time I'm wearing them since I've been here. This is bad, right? Babe, what is this on my hair?
Maybe soap.
Anyways, we're matching in pink.
No, not much.
We're matching in Clark's. We're matching in pink. Light pink and hot pink. Right? And I got a bow in my hair. Looking so cute. Looking like a girly girl. Yeah, so we're going on the road because I'm gonna go get some stuff from the supermarket. Like some stuff I want to bring up and get some patties and stuff. Yeah. I don't think I've been a good vlogger, but I understand, you know. Majority of the times I enjoy the moment. And a lot has been going on. But yeah, we're about to leave out here now, man. Babe? And just the patties. And then we're getting the patties. And we got a soup to drink right now. I'm trying to decide because I want to do the challenge where the rock, paper, scissors thing. Yeah. And the video I forgot for that gets still. Yeah, so we're gonna try to decide what we'll get to do that. But we're just here and wait for the order. So hey guys, so it's my final night here. So I'm just here packing up. I already put the snacks and stuff in the big suitcase. I have the cold stuff in the freezer, so I'll get those tomorrow. I feel like I'm gonna be overweight. Yeah, knock on wood, but let's hope not. Yeah, everything is practically kind of together already. It's just a little like face stuff and stuff which I may use in the morning. But we're gonna have some movie night tonight and stuff. So we're wind down and it's our final moment together. So we're gonna enjoy it, right, Mr. Cameraman?
Right.
Yeah, you're here, right? So yeah, guys. So I'll see you tomorrow when I'm leaving. Bye. Alright guys, so I'm leaving my final day in Jamaica. Final few minutes at this point. Final few minutes. Baby's here. Yeah. A kayaker, baby? Why you feel so dry?
You see me a jail, I forgot how it, you know?
Boy. But yeah, guys, so on our way to the airport right now. I'm hungry, but it's a true me love late. I'm gonna suffer the consequences. So cross fingers we don't miss the flight this time. Or the we call it check off count on the closer. In the name of Jesus. So let's hope for that. But yeah. The flight should be leaving at 4:28, 4:30 around that time. Yeah, and I should get in New York around 9:27 or so. Something like so. Yeah. But I'm surprised before one day I'd be able to go early and stuff. So maybe land earlier or a few minutes late. But I don't have anything tomorrow, so I'm gonna be home tomorrow, Sunday. So I can take the time to kind of just unwind myself and relax and ting. So I'll see you guys when I am back home. I don't realize if I want to take up the camera, but I take it up. But when I reach back, me tell you know. So see you guys. Oh, babe.
Like a candle, we're out.
And we're out. Guys, I'm back home. I landed safely. I was very upset yesterday, so I couldn't come to you. So it's Sunday morning, well, Sunday afternoon now. May I be there now? Esther is looking black and broke. Anyways, mom never really prepared anything much for. Cause I'm kind of close off the vlog right here, so I'm just showing what I do when I land. And I'm in my baby shirt. My baby let me his shirt. Well, gave me. It's mine now. But anyways, so mommy never really prepared anything. Like season, she took it up, but she never seasoned it. So quickest thing I believe what we could have done was do fish. So I'm here washing some fish, and I have fish to carry for work. So I have salmon here. So I'm just wash and scale off, like you know, you have to double D scale from when you bought it. So I have this salmon here. And then we have some snappers here. So I'm just there to clean up that and stuff. So the salmon is for work. And then the fish is for dinner. Yeah. So, yeah, that's the whole vibe. So just get dinner together. I'm going to bathe from my comb. So more, you know, kind of do up all of this. And just get myself washed off, refresh. Get myself ready for work. Yeah. Soon come, guys.